Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic Bluetooth earbuds. It is a versatile, stylish and classy earbud set that people who love jamming to beats, or for gaming to use on the go. The product packaging looks sleek and professional. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one Free2 Classic earbuds with a charging case, one USB Type-C charging cable, along with a pack of replacement earbud tips for people to interchange between different earbuds when required. A user guide is provided to guide users on the operations of the product, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic Bluetooth earbuds casing looks really stylish in design. It has delicate laser engraving texture that makes it look more elegant and high-end in design. At the back, users will find a Type-C USB charging port, which can be used for charging purposes. Next, users will find the Free2 Classic earbuds inside the charging case when it came fresh out of the box. They look really stylish with a metallic print of the branding on it. It has a nice matte black finish to it. At the base of the earbuds, users will notice the dust-proof mic, which is enclosed with a metal mesh to prevent dust from entering, keeping your calls clear and crisp with this design. The mic also has indicating lights that light up when powered on. Just look at it shine. The LED status light looks good. When holding onto the earbuds, they feel solid, firm and lightweight. With its lightweight design, users should not feel pressure on their ears when wearing as it's lightweight. Let's proceed to try it out. First, head over to your smartphone Bluetooth setting page like what I am doing here, and connect to the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic headsets just like you see here. Once connected, users should be able to see the connection status and monitor battery levels of the earbuds on their smartphones. Mine has about 90% battery left. Simply slot it into your ears. It fits nicely in my ears and I don't feel much pressure in my ears when wearing it. I tried listening to music audio and it is good. The sound is clear and beats are strong, thanks to the 6mm driver that delivers solid bass performance and good audio quality during use. The earbuds have touch-sensitive controls on it. Users can use it for multiple usage scenarios, like for example, controlling the volume controls, with a single tap on one side to increase or decrease the volume, while double tap to pause and play videos, or even triple tap to activate voice assist. Other control features are also available. A good range of options for hands-free control of your phone when using the earbuds. After use, simply place it back into the charging case to recharge the earbuds. Although it is small, it has a good-sized battery that lasts up to 30 hours of maximum playtime when you use the charging case and earbuds together. Also, the earbuds are IPX5 waterproof certified, so you can use it anytime, and anywhere, you want. Overall, I feel the SoundPEATS Free2 Classic Bluetooth earbuds allow for better productivity and quality of music and calls as compared to regular earphones, as it has a better driver and a lasting battery for extended usage hours. If you want to find out more about this set of earbuds, you can check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.